In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, He was the Master of Death and also the Master of Life. Dear viewers, who are you? My whole prayers are with you for all life. May God bless you with great success in your all lives. May God bless you with great parents with your all life. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe my all videos because these are very important videos for you. You have much information, and I hope you get much knowledge from my lectures day by day. But it is a condition that you will take interest. Without interest, you can't do something. I hope you will pray your 5 times in a day. You will recite the Holy Quran 2 times in the morning, in the evening, and you will read the Durud Pak upon our Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the morning, in the evening also. After that, you will respect it and regard your parents because parents are very important relatives. You will not get the opportunities in your all lives without the help or favor of your parents. I hope you will respect your all teachers with your wholeheartedly. I hope you will do good deeds in your lives. Okay, please. In the final, I want to request you that please like, share, subscribe my all videos because you will like, share, and subscribe my videos. And please press the bell icon buttons because when you will press the bell icon buttons, my all videos will join to you. And you will get much information about English and other subjects. And because I have done my duty in Pakistan Coast Guard, Punjab Rangers, so I want to give much knowledge that how will you select in Pakistan Armed Forces and how will you select in Pakistan Civil Armed Forces, who will you select in Pakistan Coast Guard, Punjab Rangers, FC and other departments. Okay, thanks. Today my topic is the practice of all previous tenses. Suppose that from present indefinite definite to present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Number one sentence is मैं अपने हाथ धोता हूँ. I wash my hands. Number two, मैं अपने हाथ धो रहा हूँ. I am washing my hands. Number three, मैं अपने हाथ धो चुका हूँ. I have washed my hands. मैं सुबह से अपने हाथ धोता रहा हूँ. I have been washing my hands since morning. मैं 2 घंटे से अपने हाथ धोता रहा हूँ. I have been I have been washing my hands for 2 hours. 2 hours. I want to tell you that this is the sentence of present definite. मैं अपने हाथ धोता हूँ. I wash my hands. मैं अपने हाथ धो रहा हूँ. This is the sentence of present continuous tense. I am washing my hands. मैं अपने हाथ धो चुका हूँ. This is the sentence of present perfect tense. I have washed my hands. मैं सुबह से अपने हाथ धोता रहा हूँ. You will use since or for in the present perfect continuous tense. मैं सुबह से अपने हाथ धोता रहा हूँ. This is the sentence of present perfect continuous tense. I have been washing my hands since morning because morning is a repeat. So therefore we will use since here. मैं 2 घंटे से अपने हाथ धोता रहा हूँ. I have been washing my hands for 2 hours. So in the final, I want to request you that please take your some time to watch my all videos because these lectures are very important for your life. If you want to make your future bright, I hope you will watch my all videos because I want to give you much knowledge about forces, about other civil armed forces. Because how can you how can you select in Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, Pakistan Air Force, in civil armed forces, in other depart, in Punjab Police, Sindh Police, Rahat Police, KPK Police, because I have done my services in Pakistan Coast Guard, Punjab Rangers. But it's a condition for you that you will take interest, then you will get much knowledge from my lectures. In the final, I want to ask you, please pray for the Palestine, Maquda, Kashmir and Gaza. Because they are our brothers and sisters, we are Muslims, we are like a one unit, we are like a one unit. So please pray for them, especially after Tahajjud prayer. Please start your Tahajjud prayers and please pray for them because their kids have no food, their kids have no dresses to wear, their kids have no medicine to take. I hope you will pray for them regularly with your tears, with your tears, with your tears. So when you will pray for them after Tahajjud prayer, so God will happy toward your prayers and inshallah they will get freedom. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah.